Here we have a standard form question. The first thing we need to do to convert this number into standard form is decide what number between 1 and 10 we would use in order to write that in standard form, and for this one it would be 2.3 and then times 10, and then we need to work out the power. To do this, you draw a line after the first digit and then count up how many numbers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's to the power 5. This next one, we'll use 5.6 as our number between 1 and 10 times 10 to the power, and we know this one's going to be negative because it's a small number. And what we do is count all of the numbers before the first digit that we see, not including these zeros. So there are 4 zeros, so it's negative 4. For this next one, we're going to go back the other way and turn them into ordinary numbers. So we're obviously going to have a 466 in our number here because we've got 4.66. And we need to make sure there are 4 digits after the first 4. So after this first 4, there's 2 sixes, and we need 2 more zeros to make that work. For this one here, we're going to have a 2, 3 in our answer, and I've wrote that on the right hand side because we know this is going to be a small number, and we just need to make sure that we've got 4 numbers in front of our first 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we put the decimal point here. For this one, what you do is you take the numbers at the front and you multiply those. 8 times 2 is 16, times 10 to the power, and then you add these guys here, 4 and 3, that makes 7. Now this isn't standard form at the moment because our front number is bigger than 10, so we divide that by 10 to get 1.6, but if we're going to divide that by 10, we need to times this by 10 to make it the same, so that goes up by a power of 10 to 8. For this one here, we do 4 divided by 2, that equals 2, and then times 10 to the power, and this time you subtract the powers, so 6, take 3 is 3, so 2 times 10 to the 3, and that is in standard form already, so we don't need to do anything to it.